How to create kaleidoscope effect in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Go to the Effects panel, click on Open FX, and search for mirrors. Drag and drop mirrors effect into your video in timeline. With your video selected, open up Inspector panel and click on Effects tab. Change mirror replacement to kaleidoscope. And now we have this kaleidoscope effect. You can change its position, center size, angle, and number of sides based on your needs. Now let's create another type of kaleidoscope effect. Change mirror replacement to individual. Expand mirror to, click on Enable checkbox and set the angle to 90 degrees. Now we have 4 copies of our original video. We can check the flip checkbox to see other parts of the video instead of the sky. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.